In this video, let's see the updates on Microsoft certification and its validity and renewals. Recently, Microsoft has released a blog post on these renewals and the validation of their certifications. Starting from June 2021, uh, the validation for the certification will be limited to only 1 year. Presently, for few certifications, renewal or validation is like for 2 years. Now they are limiting for all the certifications only for 1 year. In this 1 year also, for some certifications, they will they are going to limit its validation for only 6 months. So to renew its certification, they will send us reminders 4 times. Okay, so once we have received these reminders, we are eligible for this renewal of these certifications. So these renewals of certifications is not like again writing an exam. Okay, we need to there is a procedure. So we need to learn that particular certification in the Microsoft Learn website, and we need to pass the assessment in that particular learning path or Microsoft Learn, so that again our certification will be valid for the one more year. So to access this Microsoft Learn for any exam, just we need to go to say docs.microsoft.com, and or you can just go to that particular exam page, say aged 900. Okay, if you type aged 900 in Google, it will just directly take to that aged 900 page, and there you can see, if you scroll down, you can see that Microsoft Learn for this particular aged 900. Okay, and also here Microsoft is synchronize between the both certification dashboard login and the Microsoft Learn login. You must maintain same login ID for both the certification dashboard and the Microsoft Learn website. Here if you see, this is my uh, say my certification dashboard. Since I passed this exam, so I got the recently, so it's like congrats on passing exam. It's just displaying this message. And for for this page, or for this is known as dashboard for the certification page. For this we must the login credentials and the Microsoft Learn credentials. Here sign in, this both must be same, then it will synchronize and it will renew our particular certification exam. Okay, so this is the present page you are seeing is the page for the aged 900. Or we can for every exam they are providing these Microsoft Learn curated uh, say videos or the material which will help us in getting the certification, and or we get the knowledge uh, on that particular certification. Okay, so this is how you need to uh, take care of like maintaining the same credentials for the both certification dashboard and also for the Microsoft Learn. And let's see the blog post by Microsoft regarding this certification renewals. Since this pandemic, uh, in the just 2 months, Microsoft has observed that 2 years of worth of digital transformation. This is exactly right, because due to this pandemic, Microsoft has redesigned its Microsoft certification examination, uh, like the way of taking the exam at home. because in the exam centers are not allowed in this pandemic time. Okay, so they have done a lot of changes here, and here they have mentioned like in early February 2021 you will be able to renew the role-based specialties certifications by passing a free renewal assessment from Microsoft Learn. Okay, see here whatever we had discussed, Microsoft Learn. So, and again, rather than here they are mentioning, rather than having to retake scheduled exams, the renewal assessment can be completed online on your own time. Okay, and anytime within the 6 months before your certification expires. This we need to take care of. Okay, so next coming to the our we are updating validity of role based specialty certifications starting in June 2021. This change will take effect from the newly earned certification. The shift to a 1-year certification validation aligns to how quickly cloud technology changes. Microsoft has limited its 1-year certification because there are quickly many changes are happening in the cloud front. Because if you see Azure website, it's very quickly this is changing. You cannot see this UI in the next 3 months or next 4 months. The UI also changing, and many components are adding quickly into this cloud technologies. So for that they are just limited these certifications only for the 1 year. Okay, so if you want to know more about certification renewals, they have a special page here, the docs.microsoft.com learn certification renewer Microsoft certifications, where you can find all the information about the renewals of the certification and also the frequently asked questions. They have given here certification renewal schedule and everything, and the benefit of renewing your certification. Here they mention maintain your Microsoft certification with continuous learning mindset and keep your skills current at no cost. For renewal there is no need to write the exam again. Okay, so here there are some frequently asked questions. You can see I'm giving all these two links in the description of my video. You can check. Here they have, do I need to renew my Microsoft fundamental certification? No, the certification renewal process does not apply to fundamental certifications since they do not expire. So this is very nice. Like suppose the fundamental certifications like AZ 900 or Power Platform PL 900 or MS 900, they do not expire according to Microsoft. Okay, there is no need to renewal process does not apply. Okay, for that. Or the renewal assessments aligned to the regular exam update cadence? Yes, updates to the assessments are aligned with certification exam updates. Which languages or assessments available in renewal assessments on Microsoft Learn will be available in same language. Okay, so these are the some of the frequently asked questions. You can read it from this website. So hope you understood this new renewal updates from Microsoft certification. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.